Dear students of Standard 8, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to your class of English Grammar and Composition. Passage Narration Part 5. Students, today we will discuss a very important rule of passage narration with which students often get confused. Rule number 11. Sometimes reported speech does not have a complete sentence in the direct speech. In that case, you have to follow the sense of the speaker's speech to have the full meaning following the tense of the verb used in the direct speech and write complete sentence to change into indirect speech. Example: in direct speech, here we can see the boy asked the salesman, "What is the price of the box?" 30 taka. The salesman said to the boy. Students, here we can see the boy asked the salesman what is the price of the box, and in reply the salesman said 30 taka. Students, here 30 taka means, or the complete sentence for 30 taka can be the box is 30 taka, or it is 30 taka, or the price of the box is 30 taka. So if the passage is changed into indirect, it is the boy asked the salesman what the price of the box was. The salesman replied to the boy that it was 30 taka, or the price of the box was 30 taka. Dear students, what can we see here? We can see the boy asked the salesman what is the price of the box is changed. The boy asked the salesman what the price of the box was. And the change for the part 30 taka is the salesman replied to the boy that it was 30 taka, or the price of the box was 30 taka. As we have known that 30 taka refers to the box is 30 taka, or it is 30 taka, or the price of the box is 30 taka. Hope you have understood, dear students. For clear understanding, we can have a look on another example. Example number 2. Direct speech. How are you? Said Flora. Fine, said Farabi. Students, what can we see here? We can see Flora asked, "How are you?" In reply, Farabi said, "Fine." Here, fine means I am fine, or according to the text, Farabi is fine. So, what will be the change in indirect speech? Let us see. Flora asked Farabi how he was. Farabi replied that he was fine. As fine means Farabi is fine, according to the change of the tense, it is he was fine. Another example, direct speech. He said to me, I cannot go to school yesterday. I said, why? Here, why means asking the reason. So, it can be changed into indirect speech in such a way. He told me that he could not go to school the previous day, and for the part I said why, I asked him the reason. Let us have a look on another example. Direct speech. Mother said to Ruma, let us go to visit the zoo. Ruma said, how nice. Students, how nice. At the end, we can see there is a sign of exclamation. And we can understand that it is an exclamatory sentence. So, here, how nice means how nice it is. The complete structure of an exclamatory sentence. So, indirect speech will be Mother proposed to Ruma that they should go to visit the zoo. And for the part, Ruma said, how nice. Ruma exclaimed with joy that it was very nice. As it is an exclamatory sentence, the reporting verb is changed into exclaimed, and as the complete form of how nice is how nice it is, the change in indirect speech is it was very nice. Students, hope you have understood. Rule number 11. If in a passage of direct speech the pronoun for any person is mentioned before and the noun or the name of that pronoun is mentioned afterwards, then it is better to use the noun at first when used. Example, direct speech. You are a good student, said he. Farhan said, thank you, teacher. In indirect speech, it is changed. The teacher told Farhan that he was a good student. Farhan respectfully thanked the teacher. Students, we can see that the first speaker in the direct speech is he. And from Farhan's speech, we can understand that he is the teacher, as in reply to the speaker he, Farhan said, thank you, calling by the noun teacher. So, in indirect speech, we can see that the first speaker is used the teacher as he refers to teacher. So, according to the rule here, the noun teacher is used at first instead of the pronoun, though the first speaker mentioned here is the pronoun he. Thank you, dear students. Be blessed, stay safe and healthy.